Putin ordered Su-34 fighter bombers to drop 500 kg glide bombs and helicopters to fire missiles. The crews of Su-34 multipurpose supersonic fighter bombers of the Russian Aerospace Forces attacked the enemy command post and manpower in the southern direction of Donetsk in the air defense zone. The attack was carried out by FAB-500 unguided aerial bombs with a universal planning and correction module, which allows precise attacks at a safe distance from the combat contact line. Having received intelligence confirmation that the targets had been destroyed, the crews returned safely to the starting airfield. Su-34 multipurpose supersonic fighter bombers are in service with the Russian Aerospace Forces and carry out daily missions to destroy enemy manpower concentrations, strongholds, and military installations. The helicopter strike group of the Army Aviation of the Southern Military District, in the interests of the Dnipro group of troops, destroyed a concentration of enemy manpower north of Rabatino in the Zaporozhye region. Ka-52 and Mi-28 helicopters carried out an attack in which Ukrainian militants suffered losses of at least 35 people, as well as 3 armored vehicles. Yes, today there was a flight in the direction of Zaporozhye to support our ground forces. We carry out a group airstrike against enemy personnel. According to the reports of the gunner of the advanced aircraft, all the missiles hit the target. It turns out that the target was hit. Well, it's okay. The turnaround is complete. We returned safely to the departure airfield. Everything is fine, said K-52 Commander Ilya. Targets were hit by missiles from unguided aircraft as close as possible. Well, yes, we are getting close enough, but fortunately our Army comrades are at work, flying Mi-8 MTPR helicopters, creating interference, so to speak. In general, we hope the enemy doesn't see us, but that's how it is. Therefore, we carry out our work secretly. The most important thing is to carry it out efficiently and safely, noted K-52 Commander Ilya. The strike group includes the K-52 Alligator reconnaissance and attack helicopter, the Mi-28 attack helicopter, and the Mi-8 multi-purpose helicopter. In addition, the helicopters are accompanied by specialists from the Search and Rescue Group and the Fire Support Group. The sound of Russian helicopter blades inspires horror and fear in the infantry of the armed forces of Ukraine and forces them to flee from the start of air defense, as described by the commander of the K-52 Ilya. Well, I think what is fleeing, because the sound of these propellers terrifies and frightens them. I think they are running, knowing that they will soon be overtaken. Our punishment, so to speak. Yes, they are scared. They are scared. In addition, the commander of the K-52, Ilya, spoke about the helicopter in combat conditions. Well, the technology is modern. It allows a lot. It forgives a lot. You feel absolutely confident and safe in it. Furthermore, largely thanks to the onboard defense complex, which has proven itself many times over to save and deflect very well, everything is safe. Ilya himself is a hereditary military pilot. Yes, dynasty, my father was a pilot, my grandfather was a pilot, my uncle was a pilot, so since I was a child, looking at them I also dreamed of the sky, entered college, graduated successfully, and now I'm working. Dreams come true, as they say, said K-52 Commander Ilya.